Hi everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with Crystal. I'm Crystal and wishing you all a happy Navratri. Today I'm excited to share a delicious and quick recipe that's perfect for Navratri. Aloo Sabzi without onion and garlic. This simple and flavorful dish can be paired with hot puris and it's sure to be a hit during fasting or any other day you're craving something light and tasty. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 4 large boiled and chopped potatoes, 2 chopped tomatoes, a handful of fresh coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 7 to 8 curry leaves, grated ginger, 2 chopped green chillies, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. These simple ingredients come together to create a delicious and satisfying dish. Now let's move to the cooking. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, we'll add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them crackle. Then toss in about 7 to 8 curry leaves for that wonderful aroma, followed by grated ginger and 2 chopped green chillies. Saute everything for a minute or two until the ginger turns fragrant and the chilies release their spice. Now it's time to add 2 chopped tomatoes to the pan. We'll cook them down until they turn soft and start to break apart. Don't forget to add a teaspoon of salt to help the tomatoes release their juices and cook evenly. Stir occasionally and let them soften completely. It will take just a couple of minutes. As you can see, the tomatoes have softened beautifully, and now we'll add in our star ingredient, 4 large boiled and chopped potatoes. Give everything a good mix so the tomatoes coat the potatoes evenly. Next, we'll add our spices. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder for heat, and half a teaspoon of black pepper for a bit of warmth. Mix everything well and let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the potatoes to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Now that our potatoes are cooked in the spice mixture, it's time to add about 1 cup of water. Stir everything well. And cover the pan with a lid. Let the sabji simmer for 5 to 7 minutes so the flavors melt together and the potatoes cook thoroughly in the spices. After 5 to 7 minutes, our aloo sabji is ready. The potatoes have cooked perfectly and the spices have infused beautifully. Let's add a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves for that fresh herby flavor. Give it one last stir. To finish, garnish with a bit more coriander. Squeeze half a lime over the top for a tangy touch. And there you have it, a Navratri Aloo Sabji, completely free of onion and garlic and packed with flavor. This dish is perfect to enjoy with hot fluffy puris. I hope you try this quick and simple recipe at home. If you do, leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Home Cooking with Crystal for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!